Hey guys, get ready with me to go on a solo date featuring my 3-in-1 shapewear dress from SHAPEMINOW. I absolutely love this dress. Do you see how it shapes the body? It makes everything look so slick. I admire the fact that it has a built-in shapewear that you wouldn't know about if I didn't just tell you. I decided to pair this dress up with this gold belt that I styled in multiple different ways and my simple gold necklace. I also chose to pair this dress up with these purple kitten heels that I thrifted. I honestly couldn't decide on a bag, but I finally picked this one because it was giving elegant and classy. And then fixed my hair. I give this dress a 10 out of 10 because of the adjustable shoulder straps, the soft fabric, the built-in bra and shapewear. And lastly, it also has an anti-friction on the inner thighs, which, I mean, come on, who doesn't love that? Oh, and I also added some more accessories because, you know, I'm that girl and I couldn't help but admire myself some more because I love myself. All right, let me go on this date now. Bye.